to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. I do drop new content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into this video. Monday, March 29th, and I want to talk about a stock that went absolutely crazy today. That is SeaChange International, ticker symbol SEAC, up 101% during the day, and then another 20% after hours. Currently after hours sitting at $2.50 at the time of this video. And the volume absolutely crazy today as well. 1.8 million trades of SeaChange on average. Today, 351 million trades of this stock. So stock's going absolutely crazy, and it went crazy today. Wanted to make this video to talk about why it went crazy, give you guys an overall opinion on this stock and about SeaChange International as a whole, and then potentially see what is to come for this stock. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. Let's take a look at the chart first of all for SeaChange. Let's take a look at the 3-month chart. So as you can see today, absolutely went crazy. Started the day at $1 and absolutely shot up to $2.50, like I said. But you kind of been ebbing and flowing up and down throughout the entire last 3 months. Mid-January, it was almost $2 at $1.78. Dipped back down and just really kind of consistently going up and down over the course of the last 3 months, and then really took off today and sitting at $2.50. So let's talk about SeaChange International as a company. So they are a leading supplier of video delivery software solutions. Their solution powers hundreds of cloud and on-premise video delivery platforms, servicing over 50 million subscribers worldwide. SeaChange offers value-based engagement, which provides content service providers with a complete software delivery platform for linear VOD and TSTV over managed and unmanaged networks. The SeaChange framework solution includes video back office, media asset management, targeted advertising management, analytics, and the client interface for STBs, smart TVs, mobile devices. Our solution is available as a product or managed service deployed on premises, in the cloud, or as a hybrid. So, as many of you know, video delivery and streaming specifically is at an all-time high, and video streaming services and video platforms is the future. I mean, I don't think a lot of people have cable anymore. People just stream, and that's really all it is. And that's pretty much what SeaChange does. So there is a leading supplier of software solutions that, correlate to the video delivery platforms, and they offer, like it says here, they offer product as a product or a managed service. So they can kind of be the outsourced company that people use and these platforms use. And as you can see here, they're managed services. So basically they manage content, distribute, deliver, and analyze. SeaChange Managed Services allows service providers to automate content, ingest, oversee metadata processing using the Media Asset Manager along with our back office. The system scales to businesses of all sizes and enables seamless delivery to multi-screen services. So for example, like if you are on like ESPN or say any sort of app, right, and that's on your phone, and you're streaming on, I'm not saying they use ESPN or anything, but and you're streaming on your phone, but you're logged in with your cable provider, or you're logged in, whatever how you're paying for ESPN. Like a company like SeaChange is, pretty much handling all that, and SeaChange is basically the one automating it for the company, right? So they're the outsourced company that allows you to essentially stream and be able to, have video delivery on whatever device you're currently using. But the big reason, so again, that's pretty much what SeaChange does. I think it's a pretty cool company, something I didn't really know existed until doing this research, but definitely something pretty interesting. But the reason SeaChange popped off today is because SeaChange International secured a multi-million-dollar contract with one of the largest broadband service providers in the United States. Now, just reading off that title, it makes sense why this stock popped off. But as you can see here by reading the article, a leading provider of video delivery platforms has secured a multi-million-dollar contract with one of the largest broadband service providers in the U.S. For over 15 years, SeaChange's technology has enabled this major broadband service provider to adapt to technological advances in the industry. Under the new contract, SeaChange will work with the customer to move its infrastructure to a virtual platform, thereby reducing the operator's hardware footprint and enabling higher availability of service. SeaChange will also facilitate greater monetization of the customer's TV's service offering by leveraging SeaChange's technology to improve the management of its ad service through remote operator system installations and hardware health management. Now, they don't, in this article, they don't specifically say, right, the broadband service provider. But like I said, you guys, a lot of companies are looking to create and have their own streaming services like Paramount. Pretty much any major broadband service provider is looking to have their own sort of video streaming platform and their own just video delivery platform as a whole. So with SeaChange getting this multi-million-dollar contract and multi-year deal with one of the largest broadband service providers in the US, obviously a very, very big deal for SeaChange. And I think this may be just the beginning of this stock's rise. Obviously tomorrow we might see a pullback. A lot of people will be selling their profits on this. I figure like a lot of people got into this stock early this morning, so a lot of people will be selling their profits. However, I do think this stock has potential here because of the industry that they're in, and this is just something that I think a lot of shareholders are taking a look at this article and thinking now this could be potentially something that is a long-term sort of hold, mid to long-term sort of hold. And one of the executives at SeaChange quoted in saying, long-standing customers like this major broadband service provider continue to expand the use of SeaChange's technology and are increasingly benefiting from our ad technology that facilitates cross-platform and dynamic advertising solutions for cable and IP video delivery. This is a major win, which combines license and service components, marks one of the highest average annual values of any North American contract in more than 2 years. More broadly, the win exemplifies our refined go-to-market strategy and holistic approach to selling full value of our software and services, and further demonstrates SeaChange's role as a trusted partner to the world's most prominent video providers. So, you guys, after reading this article, it really shows me that SeaChange is out here making moves, and I definitely think that this is something that you should be taking a look at as a potential investor in SeaChange and see the growth today. Obviously, a lot of people will be selling their profits, like I said, tomorrow because of the crazy pop off today. But if we do see a pullback, it might be a nice time to enter at the 125 to 140 range, somewhere around there, $1.25, $1.40, somewhere around there. Maybe a little bit higher, up to $1.60, because I do see this stock now being a long-term hold. I feel like before this pop off, not a lot of people were talking about it. Obviously, only 1.8 million trades of this stock per day. But now moving forward, I think a lot of people will be interested in SeaChange and what they continue to do. So let me know in the comments below, you guys, how you feel about SeaChange. Let me know if by any chance you guys got lucky and got in before this run up today. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video as well, guys. As always, have a good day.